Oh, come here. Come on, come here. Are you from this community?
Yes, I'm from this community.
Oh, good. Good. You go tell them that I, Clinton, and my son, that we're back from America.
Wow, Mr. Clinton's back.
Yeah, man. And a lot of goodies.
Yes. You know what? You're going to go around the village like my papa said. Papa Killington. I said, right about now, me, his son, Hillary, you're going to go around the town and tell everybody that Killington and his son, Hillary, are back. When you fail to go around the village to tell everybody that we are back, I'm going to shoot you. I'm going to shoot you right in the head, and I'm going to shoot you.
Oh, come on.
Okay?
Hillary, this is Africa. You don't shoot toe here, please.
All right.
Nobody will shoot you, but tell them we're back.
It's all right. You know what's that?
Yeah.
I'm going to give him some cash so they can go and enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
All right, boy.
Hey,
You're going to take this.
Hey, yo.
Get yourself anything you want to get yourself.
Hey, yo.
This is just a token. More are going to come later.
Yeah.
When you tell everybody in the village that we are back,
I will do that.
I'm going to give you more.
I will do that now.
That night.
I will do that.
All right, good boy.
All right. Yeah. Motherfucker. Look at him. He's a motherfucking dude. He's jumping over little money. I tell you something, Dad. I'm gonna shoot him in the head, and I'm gonna shoot him toe in the head. He's jumping up and down because of little token.
Whoa. Hey, yo. Come on.
This is wonderful. Dad,
Here
I can't
we
believe
are.
I'm in my
We
father's
are
country.
back.
This is fantastic. I love what I'm seeing.
Sure.
I'm in my motherfucking dad's compound. You imagine the likeness.
Come
This is
on.
wonderful. Wow. I'm gonna feed my eyes. Young men,
Yeah.
you're a good man.
Pay
You
him
know
his
what?
money.
I'm gonna pay you. You know what? You're a good man.
Yeah.
You're a good man.
Good driver.
You're a good driver. When you see pothole, you drove well. You see human being, you drove. How much is your money? 3,000. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna pay you 3,000, and I'm gonna add something on top.
That's right.
Do you understand? Because you are a good man. 1, 2, 3. This is your official money. I'm gonna give you extra 3,000 because you are a good man. You know when you're looking at you like this, You're a motherfucking good man. You are not an old man. You are not a young man. You're just there.
That's right.
You know what? You can go. Dad?
Thanks, sir.
This is
Yeah, we are back.
Dad, you see this compound? Any motherfucking human being who comes into the compound to do nonsense, I'm gonna shoot that motherfucking person. I'm gonna shoot him in the head. I'm gonna shoot him to. Oh, that your head. That's
Oh,
your head.
come on. There's no
sorry.
shooting here.
Oh,
this
sorry.
is Africa.
I didn't know that's your head. Dad, I gotta feed my eyes. I gotta feed my eyes. I'm gonna feed my eyes, Dad. I'm gonna feed. I've been meaning to say this thing for a very long time. I think this is the best time now to say it. Hey, Papa, ever since we came back to this village, we've been like this, doing nothing. And nothing is doing us, we're doing nothing. You understand? I said we cannot continue like this. In fact, they used to say that an idle mind is a devil's workshop. So, Papa, I want to know if you are feeling what I am feeling.
Hilary, my son, since I gave birth to you, this is the first time you're saying something reasonable.
Papa, is that supposed to be an insult or a compliment? Let me understand. Which one is since you gave birth to me? This is the only time I'm saying something reasonable and adequate. Are you trying to say that all this while I don't have sense?
I am only saying that you said something reasonable. That's what I said.
Papa, I know when you're insulting me, but that one by the way. I want to know. Like this, I don't have any idea of anything that we can set up or be doing. So I don't know about you, Papa. Do you have anything in mind that you think we can do or start doing to be earning small money?
I will think about it. Right now I don't have anything in my mind. But allow me to sleep over it.
Which one is
Shut up.
And because you said I should leave you to sleep over it. I'm sure that thing you want to, this one now, this condition now, this thing that you want to sleep over with, or probably that thing is a female thing. That is why you want to sleep with it.
Oh, shut up.
It's okay.
I'm only saying that I will sleep over it and then come up with something reasonable that we will do. That's what I say.
It's okay. So, like, how long do you think? Anyway, no problem.
Just allow me to sleep over it.
Again?
Yes.
We doing? You are still doing this work.
Brother, I'm managing to know. So you have not heard what is happening?
What is happening?
Clinton and Hillary are back.
You mean Ndobodo Ibo?
They are back.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
You're there.
How can Hillary and Clinton come back to this village and I don't know about it?
They're even spreading money.
Obina, I'm coming. We'll see later, eh? Let me go.
We will not see anything. Come and pass the door.
was surprised to see Clinton and his son today. After so many years. It baffles me a lot to see all this my brother, BB boy that went to America or Alabeke. When they come back inside this our city, they start blowing BB grammars.
Big grammar that even the layman cannot even hear. That Barico.
Let the dead bury themselves. Let them sort out themselves. They will sort it out.
When is your son going back to the city?
Oh, my son.
Yes.
Tomorrow early morning.
That early?
That's what he said. Because they have a lot of meeting in the city.
Well, the city boys will be a meeting. Help me to wish himself journey.
I will. Yes, I'm not sure I will.
Okay. What we are living is not life. What we are living, we are just hiding.
I'm not sure if you are thinking what I'm thinking. I'm not sure. Huh? The life we are living is not even life. I'm telling you. Wait from the NAB. We are heading towards doom, destruction. How can we wake up in the morning? Either I'm the Ebere or Ebere. I am man of Ebere. I'll come to your house. Eh?
Every day, I've been thinking about it. First, lie down in my bed, I've been thinking of it. I wake up, I've been thinking about it. And the funny part of it is that we are born in this village. We grew up in this village. And again, we are still going to die in this village.
That is the most painful part of it. Each of women have an issue. How can we be born in this village? And yet to grow in this village and also die instead? I swear, instead of me to die in this village, I die outside. Die outside, I go to Onitsha and die.
Me too. I'm not die in this village.
Let them pray for me.
I'm not die in this village. I'm not die in this village.
And funny enough, this is not the time for farming season. As a guy, we can actually go outside and do farming to get money. I'm thinking of something.
What?
I'm thinking of something. High purchase. High purchase is what I'm thinking.
Which one is high purchase?
You don't know?
Which one is high purchase? That is, which one is high purchase? High purchase, now, this small guest now will come in.
Oh, but I want to know we have high purchase. He doesn't know what high purchase means, so. High purchase is Okada. That's
Okada? Me, ride Okada? No, I'm not ride Okada. This small guest now that we are following now, coming around, calling Akebe Okada man, Propol Okada man. And they will not be coming around again. No. Okada. Good. I don't want that one.
Ako, can you allow your name to lead you for once? Your name means well to Ako. But Ngala, you see pride. Just to reduce pride. Pride. A man without money is as good as a madman. Let this baby not deceive you. Or you may be thinking you have pointed nose. What you have is nonsense nose without money.
Forget your ego. Your ego, drop your ego and hustle. I'm thinking of higher purchase. But you have to put it down before you buy. Second one, that's the second one.
Money, that's what I'm telling you.
We will ride Okada. But the problem is, who is going to give us Okada now? Do you have anybody?
That's a second option, second problem. But meanwhile, for now, we need to sleep over it. Let's do for something and put there. Meanwhile, for this type of
That's
what I wanted to ask you. You will not cook something.
You know, this small guy that is now as my mother. Mother has to cook that thing with my small brother.
You see what I'm saying? Leaving you to go and die because you are not a grown-up man. Likewise me. My mother washed our pot in the morning. No, but the soup, they wash it. They wash this pot. They used to cook the soup this morning. And you won't get anything like Ishinaba.
It's no good. Finished.
let's go and look for something to put in. They have a lot of plantain. We need to cut some. After all, it's not thief.
I'm going to cucumber.
Would you hear me out? I know why you are behaving like this. Is it because of money? Who no get today? Who no get today? Forget tomorrow. Remember that one. My life wasn't like this before. Think about it.
Bro, Paul. Anyway, I have been with you. He's not listening to all these ones you're saying. Get a which time? Biko, bro, Paul. I am tired of this your audio money. I want real money. I won't eat this your love, oh.
My life, the one I'm living now, my condition will not be permanent. In Jesus' name. I expected you need to say amen now.
Amen, forgive me. If you like, let it be permanent. If you like, let it not be permanent. I do not have anything to do with that one. It's not my business.
I can't believe you are the one saying all this to me. Yes, when I made that prayer, you're supposed to chorus it with amen. Knowing that, remember when I was where I was. I used to do some things. You promised, remember there, you promised me you will never leave me and nothing will come in between us.
Yeah.
Remember.
So you forgot it so soon? You just go? You also promised to always provide for me, bro. And please, till then, stop disturbing me. Stay off my lane. Biko, Nayoga Kaiyo. Stop blocking all this, Make the matters from coming my way. I try to be an enemy of progress. Help Macau. Help Macau.
Are you serious that you want to end this relationship? You want to leave me? Uju, if you leave me, I swear. Uju, if you leave me, I will go to River Niger and jump inside. I will kill myself and my blood will be on your head. By me.
Bro, Paul, I don't want to kill. You say you will die if I leave you, Abby? Even if I still stay with you, you will still die. You will still die, it's certain. So go and die because I don't want to follow you and die. I'm too young to die now.
Go and die. You are walking up. You are walking away.
Baby, I have all it takes to make you happy. Even if you want to travel abroad, I have the contact to you. I am ready to paint to your body with cash. All I need is your love. All I need is your love. Baby, more, love more, baby, more, baby, I have all it takes to make you happy. Even if you want to travel abroad, I have the contact to you. I am ready to paint to your body.
See these fine girls.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Just try our luck.
Hey, God. Hey, beautiful ladies. Hey, yes.
He called us. How can we help you?
You people are very beautiful.
And so?
Calm down now. Your body they hot.
we want you girls and us. That's to be friends or in working and wine.
So you two jobless guys stopped us just to tell us that you want us to be friends. As Guinea Kwan.
Now listen and listen good. We don't deal with jobless guys. And this should be the first and the last you guys will approach us with this rubbish.
Hey. Please, look at them.
And you are jobless. No, we are jobless.
See, is not even the insult. It's a short one.
That watermelon.
What would that? Go and then that. Hi. You got Mariana.
You see these girls? These girls.
You see this money? We'll make it.
I need to make it.
Okay? I need to go after it.
Ejike, why are you standing like a monument in front of me? What is the problem and what do you want?
Papa, the truth is that I am sick and tired of this place. I am sick and tired of this place, Papa. Nothing is working well here.
You have done 2 types of business within the space of 3 years. Now, what exactly do you want?
Papa, I want to get out of this place. Let me go out there and hustle like my mates. Papa, can't go Kwamo.
I can see you're serious.
Papa, serious is an understatement. I am desperate to leave this place. Papa, look at my mates. Can't you see what they are doing for their parents? Papa, I want you to be happy for once.
Hey, my son, going outside the country is a good thing. But the problem is this. Where are you going to get the money to travel out? Secondly, who is going to harbor you over there?
Papa, whatever. There is a way. And since it is my way to travel out, I believe that God will make a way. And as for the money, that won't be a problem. I am ready to sell my land for it.
You said what? To sell our land? Impossible. I am not in support of that. Selling our only land? It cannot happen. I warn you, it can never happen. Nonsense.
Papa, me, I want to leave this country. I want to leave this country. Talk with you about that, boy. I can't go, Pamo. I'm make a room over Ramus yourself.
So my opinion is, let's keep it like this. So that it will favor people who are coming from this way and people who are coming from this way. Papa, at least like this, anybody coming from this direction will see it. Somebody coming from this direction will also see you have a boy. Yeah, man. Papa, let me remind you this one, man. Very fast, very quickly. Papa, me and you agreed that I am going to be in charge of finance. I hope it is intact.
Don't worry yourself about who will be in charge of the finance. Let us just bring the customers first. Bring the customers first. Don't worry yourself about who's going to keep the money or be in charge of finance.
It's okay.
At least
I'm telling you. Papa, do you know I didn't know you have this kind of sense?
What are you talking about?
I was seeing you like,
Yeah.
I don't forget sense.
Look at
I'm telling you.
Hey, Frank is not burial poster. Engineering was a golden opportunity. It's here again for those who want to travel to countries such as London, Dubai, USA, Malaysia, Chicago. Go in for your traveling agent.
Mba, happen there. See, let me tell you something. If you want to do anything, do it with people that has evidence. Unless you want to travel and come back here speaking only big grammars. How can you irritate?
Frank, when you come at me, Frank, a prophet does not have honor in his place.
Obiakwa. Nobody is talking about prophet or honor here. See, what I'm saying is, let us be very, very careful. Let us be very, very careful with these people. Makaneju apate etufu abogara. Eju apate etufu abogara. Samuel.
Frank, etu. Onyojo. Abba. Frank, you have to give it a try. See ya. Frank, London, Dubai, USA, Malaysia, Chicago.
Okay. Yeah, well, no.
I have to give you the time.
I'm sure the signpost is even at the front of your house. And they say that it's a very good opportunity.
In fact, this is a very big opportunity, especially to my family. This time my son is complaining to travel.
Yes.
Yes. I will let him know about this when he comes back.
And then take him today. Yes. So that they can know what to do.
That should be tomorrow, my friend.
Tomorrow?
Besides, he's the one that traveling. You know, Fisobodo Yibo di Chiche.
That's my friend. You have a point there. Okay. I can only make you what I can. I know what you do. Oh, no.
Kindly help me tell this your friend here that I am no longer interested. What did the people do to me?
I'm trying to, let me tell you. Are you saying I'm no longer your size? Or you are not my size? Brother Paul, I'm trying to help you. Try me. A trial will complete miss you, my dear sister. I don't believe in talking. It's me, Paul.
See, I don't know you for this. Eh? Calm down. Eh? You're a beautiful girl. Eh? And brother Paul, handsome, good-looking, elegant young man. You don't have to, calm down. You will enjoy him. Eh?
Just a trial.
Eh? Just a trial. Because when I mentor you.
I don't have time for this your irrelevant sermon. And you listen, the next time you stop me on the way to tell me this again, you will not like what I will do to you. Better be careful.
I'm again Abansara. Stop shaking. Well, there's nothing there. What are you shaking? Imagine, Beli here.
Hey, yo.
Look at the way she's doing.
What's going on? What's going on? Who is she?
Welcome.
Actually, I don't know.
Actually,
she was looking for road.
She was looking for road and you were shouting at her?
No, she shouted at me first, so I replied.
You mean she shouted at you and you replied? Oh, back in the US, you don't do that. When a woman shouts at you, especially pretty damn cells like this, when they shout at you, what you got to do is you say, oh, man, it's cool. You don't have to shout, man. Oh. Brother Paul. All right, guys, you know something? I'm going to tell you something right now. I get some cash. I'm going to go to the box. Let's go.
Are you sure you have money?
I can take care of everything. You know what I'm saying?
Meaning what?
Boy, meaning getting one. No, what's the meaning of this
one?
No,
after everything now, I'll be the one that will pay.
That's the back and move today. Are you telling me? You're telling him that I need to go again? Meaning what?
You have money.
Guy, I don't want to get angry with you because I know who you are. Brother Paul, I know you. Yeah. I know you. You know what? We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Mr. Queen. Brother Paul. Brother Paul, I'm gonna tell you something. You know what? Let's go. We gotta go. Good. You are all welcome to Clean Hillary Resorts.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Great organization. You are here to market the vision of this great organization.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Your duty is to market our vision. And our vision is bringing people to this organization. People we can move abroad through this organization. To America, to Europe, to everywhere. So that they will come back and help the community. Local people move abroad and they come back to help the community. And as you bring people, we give you percentage because we work on percentage. That is as much commission that you will have.
Okay, sir.
And that's a lot of money.
Yes, sir.
If you work so hard and we see that you're a very hard working marketer, then we also send you abroad.
Oh my God! Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. All right. All of you have to dress very neatly always, because this is not a local business; it's an international business. You know what you're doing is international marketing. Because very soon, people from America will come to visit us. The ambassador to America will come here. Even Bill Clinton will come to visit because I am an American citizen. Good. So dress well always. And you need to put on the proper shoe. Look at how other people are putting shoes. Put on the proper shoe. Cheerful, do your hair and all that. Thank you very much. Do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm very much concerned about the percentage.
one person, what will be the percentage of one person?
Oh no, we don't work on one person. When you are able to bring at least 10 people, then you get your percentage straight away.
Yes. Okay, so one more thing, like sorry sir, I'm trying to bring my question straight. The monthly salary, will there be anything like monthly salary or weekly salary?
So it depends on how many people you have brought. If you are able to bring up to 10 people a month, then we pay you on the percentage and it's going to be enough money.
Yes, sir. See, like, recently you're from outside, come back. Is there any need? Sometimes we go there, buy clothes, come back that day.
No, there's nothing like that. There's no way you can go to America and come back that day. It's not like you're going to all Northern. You go and buy something and come back. No.
It's far.
It's far. You do visa for you and all that. You go there. There's no need to come back very, very, very quickly. You stay there and work and better your life. Yes. Any other question?
So do we have basic breaks or shifts?
No, there's nothing like that. All what you do is move out there and market the vision and bring in people that then we have an office and always come there, record whatever you have done. Okay? Can we move to the office?
So how can we go without the food? After the meeting like this, you're supposed to have food.
drink. Yes, you eat, but let's go to the office first. From there, other things will come out. All right, to the office.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
My good friend Tukuma, he told me that Clinton and his son are doing this for both. And I told him that when you come back, I'll let you know.
Papa, I'm so happy to hear this.
The good news.
Yes, I'm happy.
Good. I want us to go there to find out the price so that you can join the chorus, my son. You see, what we are looking for, Sokoto, is not in Shokoto.
Papa, you see, that is how God works. In a mysterious way. Yeah, Papa, when are we going to see them? When you are ready. Thank you for answering my prayer. Oh my God, I'm happy.
You're welcome, son.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. My son, we are here to make inquiries about traveling outside the country.
Yes, you made a good move. I must tell you, I must confess, you did the right thing. Okay? All right, first of all, let me ask you, who among you is traveling?
It's me, sir, my son.
It's you.
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your hand up? Raise your hand up, raise your hand up. Down.
Yes, sir.
Bring it up. I'm going to ask you one question. Now you got to ask me. Daddy, how old are you?
I'm above 18 years, sir.
Yes. You're above 18 years.
Yes, sir.
You know why I asked how old are you? We're talking about you entering flight. You know what I'm saying? And flight is not like everyday normal keke or you move bus. Sometimes it's flight, if you don't hold your leg very strongly, you're going to fall. I don't want you to fall out of flight. That is why I ask.
Listen, my son AGK here
is a strong boy. A strong boy. Yes. Believe you. I believe you. Alright, let me tell you. I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you something that you have consulted the right person. As such, you're going to pay consultation fee of 5,000.
You said 5,000?
Yes.
Very cheap.
This is it. You said?
Yeah, the 5,000.
Did I say 5,000?
Yes, that's what you said. 5,000, yes.
Oh, it's alright. It's okay. Yes. It's okay. 5,000. Alright, I'm gonna tell you something. Who's your father?
He's my father.
Is he your son?
Yes, my son.
Okay.
My only son. He's my father.
This is your father?
Yes, I'm my father.
How do I know he's your father? How do I know he's your son? You know what? You're gonna do something. And what is that? You're gonna pay a sum of 5,000 naira. You know why? Because over there, when he goes out and begin to make money, normally he's supposed to send money to you so he can be in charge. But the protocol over there is the white man over there cannot allow him to send you money because they don't want to send money to the wrong person. So you know what you're going to do? You're going to sign as next of kin. So you're going to pay 5,000 naira as next of kin registration.
I'm not the one traveling.
I know you're the one traveling. But what I'm telling you, when they go out there and begin to make money, he's supposed to send you money to take care of you. But the white man wouldn't allow them to send you money because they are not sure if you, that's how do back there in America. Okay. When you talk, especially when you're saying the truth, now the white men are not going to allow him to send you money because they are not sure who is the next of kin. So you need to pay 5,000 next of kin fee so that when he gets over there and begin to make money, he can send you money.
Okay, no problem. Oh, do you know? The son again. I got to know you. But this one, let's go. Yeah, this is it.
Did you say this is your last card?
Yes.
It's alright. In a no time, this young man is going to be sending you first card. This is the last card. He will send you first card, the second card. So that we will lock it there. You know what I'm saying? Alright, you know what you're going to do right now? I'm going to tell you something. You're going to go over there. There are 4 ladies over there. You don't go to slim one. You don't go to the one that is dark.
The fat one? We should go and meet the fat one.
Did you say the fat one?
Yes.
You feel the law of the United States of America in feminism gender. Back in the US, you don't describe girls as fat women.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So you failed the law.
We are sorry, sir.
In feminism gender. Why would you call a lady fat woman? For that reason, you don't pay for
We are sorry, sir. We are sorry, sir. We are sorry, sir.
You did bad. You're going to pay for it. I'm going to tell you something. You're going to pay 5,000. You don't have it yet.
I don't have 5,000.
You pay later. So, nice doing business.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Nice doing business.
Thank you very much, sir.
I say good man.
So you can go.
Let's now be leaving this country.
My son.
So, how do we go about the money now?
You are right. We don't have any other option than to sell the land. But that price is too high.
600,000, Papa. Ha! That one is cheap, oh. Emeka spent 2 million to go to Dubai. Papa, we are very lucky they asked for 600,000.
Okay. In that case, I have to go and meet with the agent and inform them about the land.
Thank you, Papa. I promise to make you proud.
I know you will.
You know, I'm going to ask you some beautiful questions. Do you want to make money?
Of course I want to make money.
The hour is now to make money. If you don't know what I'm saying, if you understand what I'm saying, then you should know that this is the time for you to make money. You know what I'm saying? You know.
But the thing is that I don't have money to leave this country. So
Yeah. Let me tell you, because I am second man in command, AD, I'm working for him. I will advise you, do not
alter this your mistake now. What you said now, I will consider it as a mistake. Before him, don't tell him you don't have money. Are you with me? Okay. You have money. Go to your people and let them do something about it.
Okay.
Yes. Get your money.
Of course, you gotta go to your people and tell them what. Do you know what? Do you know the opportunity you stand to gain when you travel out? Big opportunity that is going to give you real big dough. So if you want to make money, you got to tell your people what you're going to get when you get there. Or don't you want to make money?
Why? I want to make money now. I want to take care of my family.
What you said now, you want to take care of your family.
Yes.
Meaning, you are eager to take care of them.
Exactly.
So let them take care of you now. Let them do what they're supposed to do. Right
You're right, you're right.
So that tomorrow, when they're there, you take care of them.
Okay. You're right. That means, in that case, I have to see in your office tomorrow and let me go and meet my parents and talk to them about the money. I'll see you later.
All right.
Thank you.
Wow, it's very beautiful. Look at the cup. I was looking at the upper chamber, upper echelon.
Brother Paul, what are you doing? See, let me tell you something, Brother Paul. Anytime you're walking with me, you don't look on girls lustfully.
You taught me to appreciate.
I didn't teach you to get lost on women. When I'm walking with you, you don't have to check on women's figure, their sizes, if you're lustfully. When you do this again, I'm going to sack you. I'm going to fire you.
Sorry, I love my job. Don't fire me yet.
You got to be careful.
I said you are close to being creative.
See, let me tell you. Cause I'm going to sack you. When you do this again, you don't have to do it. I'm not joking with you.
Okay.
We got it. We got it. I said we got it, boy. We got it. Big, huge money, though, is coming our way.
Here we go. Cause you guys are around with our visa. Here we go. Cause Clinton and Hillary are with our visa.
So, Glory, are you trying to tell me now that Bro Paul and Hillary talk to you about traveling to overseas?
Of course. My dear, they were very serious. Very serious. As you're seeing me, I'll soon be in abroad.
Are you serious? Anyway, I'm happy for you. Just that when you get there, do not forget me. I'm still your friend.
Why are you talking like this now? You know you're my best friend. I can't forget you. You're like a sister to me.
In that case, I'm happy for you. Very, very much happy. In fact, I am the most happiest person today.
Thank you.
Please don't forget me.
I will. Just pray for me. I just need your prayer and support.
Don't worry, I will always pray for you. I know you will soon get there. You won't be already now.
Stop, let's go.
Yes, as I was saying, the land started from here. From this farm, yes, to the end of this place. Come, let me show you. You see, then we reach that castle all here is my land. And it is in a good site. You can build anything you want, whether in a factory, petrol station. It is in a good site. Okay. Yes. So, you see to it now, then I'll call someone. Come and check. Actually, it's in a good site. Yes, as you can see. You see that end? That roof there. Okay. That is the end of it.
Clinton and Hillary. Life is
this side.
tonight.
other side.
All
belong to me.
Ugo. Ah! Odaka, my friend. I am coming and you are going. I was actually coming to your house. Odaka, I hope everything is alright.
Everything is perfect, my brother. It's all about the opportunity Mr. Clinton and his son brought to us. What do you think about it?
Odaka, this is a great opportunity.
Yes.
That everyone in his right senses will not like to miss.
Sure. Huh? My brother, you have a point. But the challenge now is the money. Where do we raise this kind of money? You know, it's a very huge amount of money we are talking about here. How can we raise it?
Honestly, I don't know. But we will not lose hope. We will not lose hope.
No.
We'll find a way to
We can't lose hope.
Eh?
We can't lose
We
hope.
must find a way to raise the money.
There's no problem. Now that I've seen you here, let me rush and see Ejike. Let me inform him too.
Which Ejike do you want to go and see?
Why are you asking me? You don't. Ejike, our friend now, not the other one. His father is already arranging.
Okay, Ejike, our friend now.
Ejike, one matter.
Okay.
We'll see.
We'll see.
All right, my brother.
Ejike. Odaka, my good friend. See me, I thank God.
I came to see you for something very important.
Something very important?
Very important.
Sit down.
Why are we sitting here? Is it okay for us to sit? Have to sit. My brother, it's all about the Obodo Ibo stuff. Yes. I know you must have heard about
it. You mean Mr. Clinton and his son?
Yes, exactly. You see, I want us to be part of this great opportunity. In fact, as a matter of fact, I just finished discussing with Ugo right now, and I told him that I want to see you in respect of this matter as well. What do you think?
Odaka, what is there for us to indicate interest in what we cannot afford?
Are you the one saying this?
Yes.
I thought you would advise me to, how we are going to make out the money and travel to Obodo Ibo. You are here telling me how. See, it's Obodo Ibo we are talking about now. See, what you are supposed to be telling me is how we are going to make this money and travel to Obodo Ibo. Before you know it, my brother, we will be coming back big. You are here telling me what interest and indicator. Which one is indicator?
Anyway, I will think about it.
It's not about thinking about it. See, if you like, start sleeping on bike. As for me, I will take every possible means to make sure Obodo Ibo, here I come. I'm a Palama here on a bike. Look at you. Trying to discourage me. Oh, I cannot be discouraged at all. I can't be.
Here we go. Cause you guys are around here with our visa.
Good afternoon, young lady. How may I help you?
I'm Amarachi from Hillary Research.
Oh, I'm sorry that I and my father have not come to see you people since we left the other day. You know that things are very hard in this community, and I've been trying to raise the money. You know that the money is a very huge one.
I understand. But try and put in more effort to get the money before time. Because we'll be processing people's visa by next month, sir.
I will try. Alright, bye.
Just shake it.
Alright.
But you must pay the bills. No one will go pay for capturing
This money is a very huge money. What can I do to raise this?
Okay, Chukwu. This why you came around.
No, I came in respect of the land you said you want to sell. People coming for it are priced very low. Very, very low.
How much are they pricing?
The last person that called for it is pricing 700,000.
Okay, Chukwumba. You know that land worth about 1.2 and 1.3 million. I am selling that land because my son is traveling. If not like that, I could not sell it. As soon as 1 million, I don't want to hit too much.
See if you reduce the price. The higher the price, the lesser the demand.
Don't worry yourself. My land is in good position. Only Diego got there.
Here we go. Cause you guys are around here with our visa. Here we go. Cause Clinton and Hillary are with our visa.
Hello? Excuse me. You don't look familiar. Are you from this village?
Yes, of course.
How come today is my first time of seeing you?
Actually, I'm based in Lagos. Well, I just visited.
Wow. You're based in Lagos, but you just visited. Anyway, my name is Ejaik. But my friends do call me Ejaik Wambada. And maybe Ejaik in 18 Oboda. So, what's your own name?
Amade is my name.
What a beautiful name. Hope I will be seeing you again.
It's fine when the time comes.
I hope so. Wow, what a beautiful girl. Nukwa Ngatea. Ejaik Wambada Ngatukwa. Wow.
You go pay for capturing. You go pay for thumping. After you go pay for your visa. Abroad, you go pay for capturing. You go pay for thumping.
Honestly speaking,
After you go pay for your
came
visa.
over me.
Brother Paul, I'm gonna tell you something. You know what I'm saying? She has apologized. You're gonna forgive her. It's a normal thing. I think she's truly sorry. So you're gonna forgive her and take her back. I think she's truly sorry. Please forgive her.
If I forgive her, she will do more bad than worse than that. I'm not going to forgive her.
Yeah, I know. I got it. Well, you're gonna forgive her. She's truly sorry.
One chance, please. Please, don't forgive me.
I should forgive you. I hope your knees are penny very well. That you will keep kneeling till I change my mind. Right now,
I'm sorry.
Brother Paul, you're gonna forgive her. Okay, forgive her.
I should forgive her.
Yes.
I should forgive you.
Baby, have you forgiven me?
You said
Thank you.
You said that is your. You said
Are you supposed to touch me? Are you supposed to touch my phalanges?
Thank you.
I'm gonna tell you something, you guys. You don't have to be them man because you got no money because you don't know tomorrow. I'm gonna tell you something. Next time when you got a man and you do such a thing, I'm gonna shoot you on the head. I'm gonna shoot you for you.
If you do you're not lying. I gonna shoot your head. Wahala no dey finish you. Everybody want to travel. Everybody want to go to overseas. Ebokune wunenu. Oje suba wanna gonna but you must pay all the bills. You go pay for capturing. You go pay for complete. After you go pay for your visa.
Oh, come on. Oh, baby. Pretty girl, how are you? Oh, come on, you look so beautiful. You look like someone I met in Joburg. Joburg, that's South Africa.
Oh,
Yeah.
South Africa.
Have you?
No, I've not, sir.
Okay. Sorry about that. Or someone I met in Oklahoma City. Oklahoma, that is America. You've never been there?
America.
Yes.
There is no this baby grammar, sir.
Oh, come on, baby. What is the name?
Well, my name is Margaret, but they call me Maggie.
Oh, Maggie, the sweet Maggie. Maggie Cubes.
She's
Come
not
on.
Maggie Cubes.
Yo, yeah. Now, my name is Clinton. Because I just came back from America.
Clinton.
Yeah.
Clinton.
Yeah.
Clinton.
Yeah.
One of you, Clinton.
No, I am his namesake. But I also came back from America. Now, your angelic eyes, your eloquent nose, and your beautiful face and smile has gotten me flabbergasted. You know, it has gotten my libido palpitating. And I want you to cure my libido. Yes, it's palpitating already.
No, we don't sell libido.
Excuse me, what I'm just trying to say is that I love you, baby. You're so pretty. I want you to be mine. Mine and mine alone. You know, I just came in from America. I will clean you up and down and do things for you. You can see me, baby. Yeah, man. Yo. America, here you come. Come on, baby. Can I take you home? I live just somewhere here.
To America.
Not to America now, but to my house to clean you up and treat you good like the Americans. Yo.
Clinton and Hillary. Oyibo life, they sweet tonight. Clinton and Hillary. Unu see ya, but Abroad, we sure. Here we go. Cause you guys are around here with our visa. Abroad, we sure. Here we go. Cause Clinton and Hillary are with our visa. Abroad is abroad. It doesn't matter where I come from. I gonna shoot your head.
You mean you know this last time? Your son HK.
Oh, yeah, my big one, your name.
Oh, Pando Chakani,
No, get like the hand. Not international call.
you see, my friend, you did well by selling your only piece of land for the betterment of your son's life.
My friend, if I don't, who will? Have you forgotten? He is my only child. He is the one that's going to take care of me in old age. So by the grace of God, if he succeed, oh yeah, I'll be eating good thing now. Wait, you know, I will not.
Well, yes. All thanks to Clinton and his son for coming back to help our youth.
The returning of Clinton in this community is a blessing in my family. I am number one that profited from Clinton. I am telling you.
You need to do sharp sharp. Make a hold up the menu. Clinton and Hillary. Oyibo life for the sweet tonight. Clinton and Hillary.
Papa, this was not our agreement. This was not what we agreed on. This is pure insubordination, preposterous, absurd. What kind of nonsense is this? Papa, before we started this thing, me and you agreed that I am going to be in charge of finance. What is going on now? How can you be in charge of the whole world? How can you be in charge of the whole world? What do you mean by that? How are we going to pay our marketers and those who are convincing people to buy into our vision? How are we going to settle all these things? Money. Is that the problem? In that case, don't worry yourself. I'll do the settlement. Let me settle them. Oh yeah? You have started smoking weed. You have started smoking weed. What nonsense is all this? After all, I'm the architect of this particular vision. If you like, call it anything you want to call it. That one is not my problem. Do you understand? Okay. Do you know what? Instead of me and you now pouring spit on each other or pointing fingers at each other, let us start doing it this way. Anytime money enters, there will be no reason to say, let's save the money for another day or keep the money. The moment the money is entering, we'll be sharing it at once. You take your own, I take my own. Is that okay? You are talking like a human being, more like a mumbo jumbo.
Clinton and Hillary. Oyibo life for the sweet tonight. Clinton and Hillary. Unu siya, batapadanya. Apollodo, Isha, Abodoibo, here we go. Cause you guys are around here with our visa. Apollodo, Isha.
My customer.
Oh.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Here is your favorite.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourself, sir.
Oh, beautiful lady. Come on. You look very beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna do something for you. Okay? I'm gonna do something for you. You see this kind of house? I'm gonna change it. Yeah, we're gonna change it. Because in the place that I am in America, we don't have this kind of houses. I will bring Julius Baker to build you 5-story here. So that when I bring my friends from America, y'all, you understand?
Thank you.
Yes, they will be able to. I'm going to entertain them here. So, I will do it for you. I'm not going to do it for you because I like you. Alright?
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it.
Because in America, we don't really drink this kind of drink.
Wow.
We drink champagne. Yeah. I started
Thank you.
Yeah,
so I think management.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, man. Yeah,
I really
man.
appreciate it.
Yo.
Thank you, sir. Hey.
Yo. You got all the chicken.
You need to do sharp sharp. Make a plan and also you need to do sharp sharp. Make a hold up the menu. Clinton and Hillary. Oyibo life for the sweet.
Good day, sir.
Good day, sir.
What can I do for you?
Sir, we learned that you people do visas for those that want to travel.
Yo, yes, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's the gospel truth.
Sir, we came to do inquiry how we get our food.
Please, come on.
How much will it cost us?
Oh, that's not a problem, man. It depends on the particular country you want to go to. Alright? And I will advise you that come to the office for us to discuss this matter, because official matters are better discussed in the office. Alright? You know my office.
Your office, sir?
Yeah.
Your office. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You come to the office.
You come.
But you must pay the bills. You go pay for capturing. You go pay for dumping. After you go pay for your visa. Cause you guys are running with our visa. Since we see you people, there is no need of coming to the office. Anytime we'll be coming to the office to pay our money.
So what country do you want to go?
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Choose one, please.
Malaysia.
Okay. Malaysia is 680,000. Yeah. No, hold on, I'm not done. I'm still talking. But now we're on promo. So 30% discount, which means China. Where are you going to?
Malaysia.
Okay, Malaysia is 375,000.
375,000.
Yes, because of the discount.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, okay. Visa will process by next month. So the faster you bring your money, the better for you.
Okay.
This is an opportunity you should not cease to take, okay?
No problem.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day. Take care.
Yeah.
Alright.
375,000 people. See what will happen, eh? Let's get to Madam Agnes. You need to download this. Which way?
Shut up, make a hold up the menu.
Samuel, ihe nwoke hụrụ kpata ego. Ihe nwoke hụrụ za odogwu adịrọkwa isi.
Ihe na a na-agba aka aza power mic. But come to think of it, we have to find way and raise that money. 375,000 naira. Okay, go on there, bro.
Samuel, we must find a way to raise this money. Find that way. Find a way.
We have to borrow. We have to borrow.
Samuel, talking of borrowing, who do you borrow from? And even if you find who to borrow from, do you have the collateral to use in place of that money? Do you have it?
You are right. When you prakana, okoragam is no lawyer. Koralagi with China. But we have to find way and raise that money. On that most too.
And if we should talk about selling of properties, you and I know very well that even if you sell all the properties in your household, you cannot come up with such an amount of money.
Guy, Frank, at least it's a good start. It's a good start.
What? You say so? I can start from somewhere.
We have to start from somewhere.
Everyone after see red.
Cause you guys are around here with our
the machine with this.
Now the machine with this. Koro.
I start am, I start am.
You know trust me again. You know koro benga na.
Which kind of machine when they smoke like this now? I'm saying the engine don't weak.
Wait oh. Now because of the smoke,
you better the engine don't weak.
For the fuel what I put for inside. See, this machine, as you see I'm like this, the engine na veggie. Forget what you they see. Just enter the inside. Na koro.
Okay. Where are they come?
Now where you they talk. No be one or two. I don't think give you a one now.
You sure?
You know trust your guy. Get my koro venza.
Confirm it. Confirm it if this complete because I don't want to hear story.
No need to count this money. You not trust yourself?
I trust myself now.
I trust you, so no need to count this money here. See, like this now, you are a proud owner of this mate. Night.
Where's the receipt? People no come to disturb me for road.
You still they talk about receipt? Me we carry a call, you no trust me na receipt. Na one for you. Flex your machine like this, You see this machine, you go enjoy it. Like this, I don't do Christmas for you. Flex your machine.
The tires, you don't use them. The tire no good.
Forget the tire matter. Okay, go and rock your machine.
This tire is not strong.
Forget that thing. Go and enjoy. You understand? I don't do Christmas for you.
My dear friends, I don't think I'll be going back to Lagos, seriously. Why? Because, come to think of it, this opportunity that came in, going to Obodo Yibo, I want to be there.
Obodo Yibo. It's like you are not in this village. Don't tell me you still insist on going to Obodo Yibo with Mr. Clinton.
You know what? I'm going to call my daddy and inform him about all this. So he will send me some money.
Wait, you are serious of going to Obodo Yibo? Please, I'm begging you, go back to Lagos.
Anyway, I know you won't support me, Sha. You guys should just remain in this village. For me, I'm going to Obodo Yibo, whether I like it or not. Bye.
Hey, see this girl, look at this one. Hey, you still go to that Obodo Yibo, come back and meet me in this village. Oh yeah, let's go, leave her. I'll go to Obodo Yibo. I've heard you. Let's go.
No, I've heard you. It's okay. I'm with my friend. Do you know that Mr. Clinton and his son Hillary has no shame at all?
My sister, I also blame our girls who are giving themselves in the name of traveling to Obodo Yibo. Is it not these girls in this village that doesn't know their left from their right? What are they going to Obodo Yibo to do?
If you ask me, who will I ask? Amajuka no one.
As for me, I'm okay in this village. What am I going there to do?
Same with me, I am not leaving this village. I am okay with the little my family provides.
My sister, let the dead bury themselves.
No, you are right, my sister.
Let's go to the market before Momo track.
This is the original copy.
I don't see him.
I have this the original copy of
Original
this.
copy. Original one. Let's check them.
Papa, I'm not going to have any problem with anybody.
Okay, you are not going to have problem with anyone. Original copy, man. See him. What's the problem? Original copy, see him.
No problem. You said it's 250,000.
Okay, I'm not me talking, man. I use your mouth talking. What? Listen, condition make her fish to bend. Okay, this is 250,000. I don't know about manager this for that land. I'm not for you.
Be wise,
Samuel, I was able to raise 200,000.
Mine is 250,000, but it's not up to the amount they told us to bring.
Oh. I will suggest by tomorrow, let us go and submit the one we have. Let them start up the process.
Frank, tomorrow. I don't want to hear tomorrow. I remove 200 naira. Frank.
I must go to Obodo. I cannot remove money from there.
You must go to Obodo. Samuel. Obodo. Come on.
Baby, I have all it takes to make you happy. Even if you want to travel abroad, I have the contact to you. I am ready to paint your body with cash. All I need is your love. All I need is your love. Baby, more, love more, baby, more, love more. You dey play well, you don't get conscience at all. You dey play well, you don't get conscience at all.
Hi. Clayton, my good friend. Yeah. Since you come back, you have decided not to come and see me. Eh?
No. The whole lot of things that have been encumbering me since I came back. That if they skip my medulla oblongata, there will be a whole lot of problems. I'm gonna have problems. You understand? So that is why I've not been able to come and see you. But I tell you, I still have plans to come see you.
Hi! Agaru. Well, you're coming back to this community. I bring a lot of good things to our community.
Yeah, man. You have not seen anything yet. You see, we have come with a lot of innovation and evolution in modern city innovation. Okay? You are going to see more. You see, and then you can imagine. Look at this. There's no light. There's no. Everything is going wrong. Bush everywhere. We are going to change everything, put light, change the community, make sure that there are roads for you to walk on, proper roads, hard roads, like we have in the Americas. You understand? Yeah, man, you understand? Yes, well, and then we are going to also package the young men and women and send them to America so that they will bring goodies back to the community. You understand? Yeah, man, yeah, man.
This
is to make sure that they come back with something good.
Right. Well, whatever you say is good. Yeah. So far, is bringing a development to our community. It's a very good idea.
That's right. That's right. So, yeah, man. You know, we're going to do our best and make sure that everywhere is good. Eh? Yeah, man.
You're my man.
Yeah.
Chop knuckle.
Yeah.
I see you.
Sorry, take it easy. This hair is paining me. It's really paining me. Oh.
I'm sorry now. It's only this one that remains. Just finish.
Be quick. Hey, Angry, my friend. What's really happening in this village?
How do you mean?
Are you asking me what I mean? The drama between Hillary, his father Clinton, and Maggie.
I don't understand.
You still don't understand? Are you sure you are in this village?
I'm here with you now.
Haven't you heard that father and son are dating Maggie?
Are you serious? Hey, one that shall never cease in this village.
My dear, that's the latest now.
But I heard that their women are more beautiful than our own here in this village.
Leave that in. Leave that in. Mr. Clinton and his son Hillary are humanizers. If not so, why would they be having an affair with same woman?
My friend, let's wait and see them in this village.
Exactly, my sister. Please, make my hair. Let me start going.
Dress properly, clean up, and then be focused with courage because you need boldness. All right, so
yes,
you are ready to move. That's good. Yes, man. So, how much have you been able to raise?
Sir, I was able to raise 200,000.
200,000. Yes. You're making progress. So when are you going to bring the rest?
Very soon, sir.
Your name, please?
My name is Frank.
Frank who?
Frank, you know.
I bring the money.
Right, no worries, sir.
What do you ask for? Hillary. You?
Sir?
What do you have?
250, sir.
Your name, please?
Samuel Mad.
The money? First of all, Hillary. Alright.
Alright, guys, you know what you're going to do right now? You're going to go over there, meet those ladies there. They're going to take in capture. And as a matter of fact, you're going to give them some details. So you got to go over there. Alright?
Yeah, be very diligent.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
This has to go to the current account.
Hey, Dad, don't worry yourself. I've got company safe. I'll save you. What's going to happen? Termites, canker worm, crocodile, snake, cannot even swallow it.
I am your father.
I'm your son. And canker worm cannot eat it. There's no queue to withdraw. Go in anytime, withdraw anytime you want to. So it's safe. Clean car. It's okay. It's okay. Sir, can you respect yourself? What is it?
Bring the money.
What money?
Bring this money.
I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to keep this money.
You gotta keep the money. You gotta put it in the current account.
Dad, you gotta be here. They are watching you.
Watching what? Now whatever.
Dad,
bring this money.
I'm gonna tell you something. When you hold my hand like this and talk about money, Dad, I'm gonna shoot you in the head. And I'm gonna shoot you toe. And when you die, Dad, I'm gonna bury you and I'm gonna walk away. Respect yourself.
You are a very wicked boy.
I'm gonna shoot you in the head.
Kill your father because of money and bury you. Now I'm gonna curse you all the days of your life.
Alright, Dad, let me tell you something. People go to university to study course.
So because it's cursing you, that is, I will swear for you.
You swear for me.
You will suffer in your life.
Dad,
this one.
I'm gonna tell you something. When you swear for me, you don't know if I'm innocent or not. If you swear for me, you will die. Don't swear for me. Because what you're swearing for me, I might did it. So don't swear.
Oh, what? Why can you walk through together and you carry all the money?
Respect to go my God and behave like your father, but I don't know why it's. Let's go. Room, as your wife. As your wife. Papa, room as one of you.
But you must pay all the bills. You go pay for capturing.
Mr. Man, what is your name?
Samuel Mad.
Date of origin.
Imo.
Date of birth.
1996. March. 29.
Destination.
Malaysia.
Nationality.
Nigeria.
Religion.
Christianity.
Next of kin.
My father. Ifeanyi mother.
Marital status.
Single.
Occupation.
Hustling.
Please position yourself well for capturing. Sweating your
It's my closet.
Hillary, when you go life for in the sweet tonight. Hillary, who knows see ya, but a badania. A blood, a badai, there we go. Cause you guys are around you. It's our visa. A blood, there we go. Cause
Come on.
My name is Glory, daughter of Elder Amba.
Oh, come on. So beautiful sunshine. So what are this mission?
Sir, I want to travel to overseas, so I came to make inquiries, sir.
Ayo, baby. Come on. You are at the right place. Okay? You see, what we do is to help the youth of the community because nothing is happening here. The youth need to get out of here because right here they are in a state of quagmire. Huh? Okay, so, baby, which country do you want to go to?
America, sir.
Yeah, hey yo. That's where beautiful things like you stay. You're gonna go and we're gonna make you go. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you wanna go to the Americas, you need to get 500,000 naira so we can do all the documentations for you. We're gonna do your visa, we're gonna do everything, and boom, you are in the Americas.
500,000, sir.
500,000. So when are you bringing your money? So we start immediately and do everything we're supposed to do.
Sir, I would have to get back to you. Let me talk to my father.
All right, don't waste time. There's no time. You need to get out, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Abulad is Abulad. It doesn't matter where I come from. If you do anyhow, I gonna shoot to your head. Wahala no dey finish you. Everybody want to travel. Everybody want to go to overseas.
Ballistic. You guys have done very well, man. You're my man. Police things. Now this is your own share. You work so hard. Baby. Hey, this is for you. You work so hard too. I like the way you guys walk. You're man. You're my man. As you work hard, your commission will go up and up and up. Just bring more customers, alright?
It will increase.
Yes. Something I work on. Exactly.
So consider it done. In fact, we will no longer converse from house to house now. Yes, we will extend it to church.
Yes. Good.
Market.
Schools. Because we've been trying to for business now. Now look at business.
Are you more we pay you?
Yes.
Plan the high purchase business, and now this is more than high purchase.
I'm gonna tell you something. You should do this business. You're gonna make more money when you bring more business. But I'm gonna tell you something. Anytime you try to run away with my money, I'm gonna shoot you in the head. Toy. And you're gonna die. When you die, I'm gonna come for your burial. I'm not joking.
So come on, Harry, but
Instead, let me
excuse me. You don't have to shoot them. He's joking. You know, he's an American citizen. So in America, it's all about shoot my man. So, but don't worry, he will shoot you. American citizen.
Sir, my peace of mind is very vital to me, sir. I wouldn't mind to give back to me, sir. Avoid the shooting.
Don't worry yourself. Yes, see, sir. Please tell him to remove that. I'm for you. Off whooping. That's all right. Go and work hard, and your commission will be increased. Okay. Yeah. But Harry, this is Africa. This is Nigeria. Okay.
You know, I'm a personal idiot too. That's why I'm so concerned. I should keep him on.
He's joking. If he says so.
So, like I said, we are committed and ever willing with all our heart and mind and spirit to do this job. Now we move to start the jobs. I don't know if we can get to for transport, Okada, or even Keke.
You don't do that. You don't do that. How can you?
Let me give them some.
Thank you, sir. I'm going right now.
Okay,
I'm going right now.
There's plenty of money. You guys are doing something great. Come on.
You ever had that kind of work?
Akwebe.
Oh. Yeah, I'm cutting my money. Forget all this money that I'm speaking here. I don't have a problem with the other huge amount you give to them. But that 2,000 naira you added on top, that one is my problem. Why did you give them that 2,000 naira?
Don't worry yourself. We are deceiving them. It's a deceit. They're going to bring more customers, more money. Okay? Don't worry yourself about that.
2,000 naira for
They are fools. They are bringing us money.
Brother Paul, the way I'm looking at that Brother Paul, that guy will be so brainy. The other one can be a fool. Because even the way, when you gave him the money, the way he rejoiced, the way he was trying to raise up as if he's wearing a bada, shows me that one is a compound fool. But okay, Brother Paul, that one is too brainy. Even the way can you imagine the way he was doing like a pussycat when he was asking for extra 2,000 naira? So I can pity him like, oh my God, that guy, oh God, that guy.
Make sure you need anything. I'm gonna tell you something. Any motherfucking
Brother Paul, you know what? Right about now, we've come to enjoy ourselves. We're gonna spend this money like no any other money to spend. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna drink yourself. Drink anything you want to drink. That's right. I like it. Why use you motherfucking Agnes?
to that person, I'm gonna shoot him on the head. Hey.
Yeah, man. You know what you're gonna do? I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna tell you something. You're gonna float all the drinks in this place. And I'm gonna tell you something right about now. You're those motherfucking niggas who are over there. Whether they are drinking or whether they're not drinking. I'm gonna tell you something. You're gonna give them drinks. Make sure they are all okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't give them two bottles.
Okay, sir.
Now, when you don't give them drinks over there, motherfucking, when you don't give them drink over there, what we gonna do? I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you in the head. Don't
worry, offload, but he will not shoot you. You don't have meat.
I have meat. Who will give me money?
I'm not gonna give you money. I'm gonna give you.
Okay.
Let me tell you something. When they ask such questions again, I'm gonna shoot you in the head. You don't ask such motherfucking question, I'm gonna shoot you in the head. And I'm gonna shoot you. Do you understand?
can go.
Okay, sir.
Why not share you?
Don't worry, Gaba.
Get me your pay.
Opportunity, you got to wake up. Of what mother can I walk? Of what mother name me for? Be wise. Of what mother name me for? Be wise, yeah. And them all. Cause no refund of money after payment. I say no refund of money after payment,
Your scars these days. Did everyone like in there?
You know, I told you now, I've been making arrangements for my traveling. I told you.
Oh, now I remember. So, how is it going?
Well, it's fine. I went to Mr. Clinton's house to know how much it costs.
Only you? Without your father?
Hey! You don't know how desperate I am. I need this fast.
To that extent? Anyway, so, how much and which country?
Yeah, they said to go to USA will cost 500,000.
How crazy way go?
Very big money.
Anyway, your father carried Your father has plenty lands. You can say any of them and raise the money. Quick. You know time they could now.
Many lands, they can sell many of them. Well, it's fine. There's no problem. So how are you? How's your family?
Glory, I'm fine now. My mother sent me on an errand, Let me get going.
Oh, come on. Oh, Maggie, baby. Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh, come on. You kept me waiting, baby.
I'm so sorry. I was busy washing some clothes.
Come on, my baby. I actually wanted to take you out there and spoil you like we spoil girls and babies in America. Come on.
Well, it's not too late. We can still go to Agnes' house.
I hope Madam Agnes drinks and eats and all of that things are not finished.
Not at all. She still has some nkobi, chicken pepper soup, potato soup. So we can see later.
But you must pay all the bills. You go pay for capturing. You go pay for complete. After you go pay for your visa. Buy your visa of any country. If you miss this opportunity, you got to wake up. Of what mother can I walk? Of what mother name me for? Be wise,
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Chami from Criminalist Resort.
Okay, so how may I help you?
Oh, we're that agency that helps people travel abroad and back to any country of your choice. California, Dubai.
In this village?
Sure, ma, in this village, ma.
Okay, so where is your location?
If you come out now, you go down by your left.
Okay, yes,
that's our office. Yes.
All right,
You
no
see me
problem,
there,
ma.
Ma, please, can I get your name?
Okay, sure.
All right, thank you, ma. It's an opportunity you should not miss, ma.
Thank you very much.
All right, now, hope to see you. Bye.
Thank
All right.
You guys are around you with our visa. I'm not doing there we go. Cause Skeleton and Hillary with our visa. But you must pay all the bills. You go pay for.
I'm down there. In this pantry. That's the pantry. Okay. then down.
Is it to that building?
Yes, yes. Ebere okay, Adi.
Now, ego like this second yawa.
2 million is not too much for this. The block is not included though.
But you would have removed it now.
I will do it later now.
What if my clients want to build now?
Then he buy the block from me now.
What if I have clients that's pricing
No, just you know what to do. I believe you are a good agent. You know what to do.
Okay. We'll see what we'll do about it.
Okay. Okay, please. Please better do, I need money urgently. I want my only daughter to travel to America. And that's why I needed money.
Facade. This is how come, This is my sister. I don't really think about you. Very sweet. It's very, very sweet. Oh. Yeah. I can't let the Chineke. The business is booming now. I just pray it continues like this. The way people are selling land in this our village. The village and the way people are selling land in order to travel.
You won't blame them. You won't blame them. After everything, they will still succeed. Life in the village is very, very tough. So rather than staying here, doing nothing, they better sell their land to use it to better their life.
That business continue to come. My own is to continue to sell. Allow them more than them. See, you don't want that?
Okay, you're welcome. Please, what's your name?
My name is Glory.
Okay, which country are you traveling to?
USA.
Everybody want to travel. Everybody want to go to overseas.
Which name will I use and do the receipt?
My father's name is Bachupu.
Bachupu. So how much is with you?
500,000.
500,000. Okay. I hope it's complete.
Yes.
You can confirm.
Be wise, and cause no refund of money after payment. I say no refund of money after payment. You need to do sharp. Back up plan and also you need to do sharp. Back up hold up the menu.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How's work?
Fine, sir.
Where are the other workers?
Okay, they've gone out for.
Oh, they've gone out to work. All right. Good. Did anybody bring money here?
Yes, one Edamba.
Edamba?
Yes.
Brought money here? Money.
Yes, sir.
How much?
500,000.
500,000? Where's the money? Or did Hillary take it?
No.
And the money is here?
Yeah.
Come on. 500,000. How can they bring 500,000 and you keep it here? Look at the environment.
Sorry, sir.
500,000. Once they bring money like this, you get it into the house and give it to me. All right?
But you must pay all the bills. You go pay for capturing.
You know, okay, let me start with, I'm gonna tell you something. My name is Hill. You know, I as a matter of fact, I was given back to Chase Manhattan Bank maternity home back in the US, you know, where I came from. So I don't know, with Hillary Clinton, that's why, you know, my father is Clinton. So they called me Clinton because then, back in the day, the nurses, they say, you look too beautiful. I'm gonna tell you something. Can you tell me what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? I know you're beautiful. You don't have to tell me you're too handsome. Hey, you're too handsome for my liking. Go, John.
Oh, please, I don't have a name.
You don't have a name? Or you can tell me. Oh, please, I don't have a name. I like that name. It's a good name, but too long. How do you spell it? Oh, I don't have a name. Is that how you write it in your passport? What's your surname?
Stop touching me.
Oh, serious? You don't like touching? Okay, let me. I'm gonna give you a head. I know you like head. You don't like touching. You like head. You know, tells me that your dad was a very good header. That was why when he headed you, you headed your mom, and when your dad headed your mom, then when he headed your mom, I like you. You're beautiful. You know, I'm gonna say you're more than beautiful. In fact, you're handsome. You're such a handsome girl. So I'm gonna tell you something. I love you. I like you. I want me and you to be. That's the new song. Yeah. Oh. Say what? Oh my God! I said it. You're gonna be a good girl.
Stop it! Oh, jeez, you're so disgusting. Excuse me.
Me so disgusting. I'm gonna like that thing she said. I don't have a name. I don't have a name. I'm gonna call Beyonce and give her this lady. She's gonna do a good song for me. You know what? I'm gonna go purchase a network now and then put in my phone, and then my phone can come up, and then I can.
Oh, yo. Yes, man, you're looking cheerful.
Yes, sir.
What's up?
We have completed my balance.
Oh, come on. And you?
Yes, sir. I've completed my balance.
Come on, you have done double.
Yes, sir.
That shows that you are gonna get to America.
Thank you, sir.
You are ready to go.
Yes, sir.
So go get prepared, because very short time. Visas will be out, and you are gonna get out of here.
Good, now, sir.
Yes, sir. Who did you pay the money to?
The fair lady.
The fair lady. Yes, sir. Okay, that's very good.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Let me go get the money before Hillary comes there.
This is why you people came to my house today. I hope all is well.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something. You got nothing to worry about. All is well. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell you something. I'm a man that I love peace. I'm a man that I love unity. I'm a man that I love progress. I want my people to progress. You know, that is why I came to this community, to make sure all my homies, all my homeboys are doing well. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna tell you something because I'm a man that love peace. I'm gonna want to do something that all my men can say, yo, I did well. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I came. You know, Papa, I want to tell you something. You know, I got your son's passport here with me. You know, I want him to go out of this country to Dubai. When he comes back, because I know that you're gonna go old someday, sometime. So when I come back here, when he has come back with money, then when he come back and I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna see you, then you are getting old. And I'm gonna say, where is that old motherfucking Papa? And he will say, Yo. Where is that old motherfucking papa?
Yo.
Where is that motherfucking old man?
Yo.
Now let me tell you something. You gotta understand this. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna say, when I say, why is that old motherfucking papa? You're gonna say, hey yo. That's it. Where is that old motherfucking papa?
Hey yo.
Where is that old motherfucking papa?
Hey yo.
This man is going to be a good thing, guys. You do it. But that, by the way. Now, when I say, where is that old motherfucking papa?
Hey yo.
Why? When I say, where is that old motherfucking papa? And your dad say, hey yo, you say, ooh. You know what I'm saying? Now, where is that old motherfucking papa?
Hey yo.
Where is that old motherfucking papa?
Hey yo.
Where is that old motherfucking papa? Where is that motherfucking papa? And where is that old papa? All right, I'm gonna do you something. Boy, you gonna take this.
Hey!
So it's true. So finally, my son was leaving to Obodo Ibo. Hey, Dubai. Oh, Papa. This call for celebration. Go.
No, you don't have to worry yourself. I got it. You don't have to worry yourself because, as you're looking at me, I'm gonna do something. I got so many places I'm gonna go to. I got so many passports I'm gonna deliver. I'm gonna do something. You know what? When I am done with what I'm doing today, I'm gonna come back, and when I come back, we can do that celebration. You know what I'm saying? Hey! Oh, I'm gonna see you some other time. We gotta go. Hey!
Date of this 1994, 14th June.
Destination?
USA.
Nationality?
Nigeria.
Religion?
Christian.
Next of kin?
Eldamba Chukuma.
Your father?
Yeah.
Marital species?
Single.
Occupation?
Student.
Why do you want to travel?
I want to travel because I want to go there and work and make more money.
Okay, please, what's your face for capturing? Okay, now, come back tomorrow for your conference.
Tomorrow.
By 10. By 10. Thank you.
You see, I have 24 young men and women who are ready to get into America, and we're doing everything. All their documents are prepared, so I have no deep problems. I'm waiting for you guys. Yes, America is. Come here, baby. I will talk to you later. Pretty.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Have you been able to do your capturing and other documentations that will help you to get into America? All that?
Yes, sir. I've done that.
What about the fingerprint?
They said I should come tomorrow for that.
Oh, they say you should come tomorrow for
Yes,
it.
sir.
I can help you to get into America. You understand? Because you're a very pretty girl. And if you can play along, all right?
Yes, sir.
I mean, if you can be a good girl, all right? you can go through me to get into America. I've done it for people and I'll do it for you. You understand?
Going through you?
Yes, I can sponsor.
To America?
Yeah, I can sponsor you. Pay the flight ticket and all that. So that you get into America and enjoy yourself. If you can only play your card well with me. Understand what I mean?
Sir, sorry. I've not done it before. And besides, I'm still a virgin.
Shit! Baby, that is the game. Come on. Now, let me tell you something. I can help you to get in there because you cannot get into America as a virgin. It's not done. They don't allow that.
Why?
Yes. So I will help you to make sure you're able to get into America. Not a virgin. I will. I mean, you understand?
Sir, please, I'm sorry.
They will not allow you to get into America, baby.
Sir, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna do it for you.
Excuse me, sir.
What the hell?
We don't have good bread. Suppose go with this granite. Very sweet granite.
Every time, you bread and granules.
Mama, you don't have a biscuit. At least let me chop the granite with biscuit.
Every time.
I love it. The biscuit and the granite, or granite and the bread.
Baby.
That's some more.
It's like you enjoy this granite.
Of course. Yeah, it's very sweet.
I don't understand. Is it not sweeter than my food?
What are you saying? You know, I cannot even compare you to anything.
Baby.
As if you leave me, I go die.
Are you serious? Let me believe you with fear. You know,
I'm telling you.
can always lie. Okay, no. How would you that? Baby, you actually hit your head there.
Yes, I did it for you.
Baby.
You know, something is touching my back.
What?
Very
What
soft.
is touching your back?
Very soft.
Baby.
Like you want to say something.
Baby, see, there is this thing I want to tell you.
Anything you want to say it, and I'm here to do it. All that God do. All that you don't know, I go talk. I will go there and then bring that.
Oh! Oh, yeah, no. Baby. Baby.
My honey.
Baby.
Honey,
baby.
Oh,
Baby. Baby.
I can just now just say it.
Okay. I'm going to say it.
Go ahead and say it.
Baby. Please now. Take me to Ogodoyi. I want to go there also. Let me go there and make money like fellow young ladies. So that I will come back and take care of you and myself as well.
Did I hear you? You want to go to the river?
Yes, baby.
I said it. No, I said it. You have been planning to leave me. No wonder all these razzmatazz. No wonder Ndachari.
I do not understand.
Okay, why can't you understand it? You want to go to Obodo and they expect me.
Baby, stop. You must not think negative always. See, my going there is for good. I am going there to work.
Will I be there with you?
Baby, you must not go with me. What is important is that you will take me to the place, then I will now hustle.
You put it must. That I must not be there with you. Yeah, no, you'll be there alone.
Baby, I am going there to go and make money. I want to go and make money. I'm not going there to go and play now, You should understand me.
Can't we hustle here together? The little money I'm making, at least if we start saving up, that money will be okay for me.
Can't you see that this money is never enough for us, This money is no longer taking care of us very well. Please understand what I'm trying to say here, We need bigger things, We need to make this money huge. You understand me now, please.
What you are doing now can never work.
Baby,
even if you rub me the two bulbs, it will not. In fact, I am now as stiff as cement.
Baby, I hope you're playing.
I'm not playing.
Oh, I hope you're joking.
I said this time around, I won't support you.
Oh. So all this anything I ask you for, anything I ever open my mouth and say, you will do it. They are all liable?
Rubbish. You are leaving just because I want to defend my right. You are leaving. Would you? I lost my appetite. I won't cry. Not every time you cry. Because you are crying, you will keep doing it for you to cry. This time around, I will not cry. I will not cry.
You see that? You see that? You see that? That is Margaret. That is Margaret. Oh, Margaret. Margaret. Hey, yo, Margaret. Wagwan. How are you, baby? You know what? I was there with my friends and something told me that, you remember I told you something. I said, you are the executive governor of my life. So when I was there with my friends, something told me that Margaret is passing next road. The love of your life is passing. So I decided to come and say, what's up with you, baby? Oh, I can see you walking alone. Why are you walking alone under the Scottish sun? You should have called me. I'm going to hire a Lexus for you to go out with. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm saying is that's my friends. That's brother Paul. How would you know? Man with me, I get some cash. My friends got some cash. If you don't mind, can we go somewhere and hang out and do 1 or 2 bottles?
Take it. Don't you ever stop me on the road again.
I like that. I love that. I like it. I love it. I love the way you raise my head back. You know, that reminds me like pillow when I put my head on the pillow. When I put my head on the pillow, that's how it goes, baby. That's how it goes, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay, here is for...
Yeah, this is Margaret's way. Let's go next way. Let's go this way. Yes, this is Margaret's way.
Okay. Yes, Margaret's way,
yes.
Hilary's way.
Yes, this is...
I've liked it too.
Come back now. The Hilary's way.
Yes, this is Margaret's way.
Follow your own way.
This is Hilary's way.
Yeah, my brother. Brother Paul.
Uproot with your sense.
No. I get you.
You cross both a bridge, your head bridge. You never cross head bridge.
You're mad.
I will get mad with him if you call me maid. I will be angry with. How can you call me maid?
Okay, you're a maiden.
I'm a maiden.
Maiden.
Then
that is it.
You are palace guard.
Okay, it's alright. It's okay, I'm a palace guard.
Come back, Allah.
Come, let us go on time.
So Emma.
It's okay.
I got you. Look what I'm made.
Make.
Samuel.
What?
This thing is taking much time than we expected. And the way this thing is going, I'm beginning to have double mind. Double mind!
Right. Yes. For how many years we have been in this village, doing one business or the other, still. But now we have this golden opportunity to travel to Obodo Igbo. Now you are dating them. Why?
Yeah, ego ka na-ekwu. This is money matter. Huh? Okay, let me ask you. Why is it taking much time than it should? Huh?
Frank.
I'm even thinking by now we should be halfway in Obodo Oyibo, or even there in Obodo Oyibo, making the money that we intend to make there. Samuel, I disagree with you. The way you talk sometimes, you should even forget this Obodo Oyibo and be a pastor.
Get it.
Since you know that every delay is a blessing, now I can go. You wanna welcome? You wanna welcome? This is money matter.
Frank. Frank.
Buy a visa of any country. If you miss this opportunity, you got to go down. I've got mother Ghana. I've got mother name be wise.
Brother Paul. What's going on?
Actually, these people came to me and you made a promise to them that their visas will come out, but you said last month, but that has not even this month now. They have not seen any negative. So I made positive. They have seen negative. I said, let me bring them. Frankly speaking, let them.
Gentlemen.
Yes. That's why we are here. Our visa you promised us will be ready. That was last month. And now it's 1 month plus. We have not heard anything from you, and you're not doing anything about it.
You're talking bullshit. Are you really acting frankly?
I brought you here to be frank with you.
But he is not being frank. I'm gonna tell you something, Frank. You think going to United States or any part of the country outside Nigeria, you think you're going there to do palm wine tapping? Because you're beginning to exercise. Talk to me like a palm wine tapper. You gotta behave. You gotta respect yourself. You think visa is something you go to Nkwo and go and buy fufu? Let me tell you something, gentlemen. It takes a lot of processes to get your visa. And as I'm talking to you right now, you got to calm down. I have run 75% of your visa process, which means anytime soon, your visas are going to be ready. Is that why you're panicking? You don't have to panic, gentlemen. It's all right.
I was trying to explain. They came to my house and they started bullying. In fact, they bullied me.
They bullied you?
They bullied me.
Congratulations. Now let me tell you something, gentlemen. You don't have to bully him again. You understand? Your visas are going to be ready. But let me tell you something. Anytime you come into this place or you go to my brother Paul, bully him, when I get information that you bullied him, I'm going to shoot you. I'm going to shoot you right in the head. I'm going to shoot you too.
Sorry,
you understand? So you got to calm down. Your visas are almost ready. You don't have to worry yourself. Congratulations in advance. Congratulations in advance. Congratulations in advance. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
You don't have a problem.
Thank you. Let's go.
Brother Paul, you are man. Uganda is number one. His Royal Highness in Dubai.
You called somebody from
Dubai, do they have a Royal Highness?
The person you called the other day, you said is
Those
is or she. Somebody who is like their head.
Did I mention Royal Highness? Do they have?
What did you mention?
Do not have Royal Highness in Dubai. What they have is Igbo.
No, Igbo is our people.
Igbo is
Africa.
No. Igbo is anybody that makes authority and the other people believe is Igbo.
Is Igbo not Igbo?
No. Igbo is Igbo. If you take authority, Igbo. No, Igbo is not Igbo. No, Igbo is Greek. The man that takes care of the environment, the man that gives order is Igwe. The people that takes the order are Igwe.
No wonder they said Nigeria is sheep.
Yes.
Igwe sheep.
Igwe sheep.
No, Igwe sheep is not Igbo.
No, Igwe sheep is a Greek name. Okay. We are the sheep and they are the Igbo. So we are Igwe sheep. Yeah.
Hey, my sister. I'm tired of this job.
few persons I know today in the market say they don't have money. Even yesterday, so I'm so tired of this.
My baby, listen to me. You don't need to say all these things. You need to work hard. You need to work real hard. Persuade them to sell their land, whatever. What are you saying?
Look at you. Me, I'm planning my own to go out. Oh. I'm tired of selling this farm here, Biko.
What are you girls doing here? Are you not gonna go out and market, bring in people like we said always, so that you get your percentage and commission? That's what you're here for. Why are you sitting there? You're not gonna be lazy, girls.
Yes, in 2 hours time
You won't know what time we'll go.
You're marketing you so you bring your customers so you can get money. What is all that?
Dad,
Come on.
Dad, Dad, I will see you. I will see you.
Yes, boy.
I will see you.
Come on, boy.
I will see you. Some group of boys came here a few minutes ago and they were counting, saying that their visas are not out till now. You know, they were shouting and saying all sort of things. Then, you know what? They went to Brother Paul's house and bullied him because they are expecting their visas. Till now, it is not out. What do we do? Because I don't want this kind of thing to repeat itself again. We need to protect ourselves now.
It's all bullshit. It's bullshit. There's nothing we can do about it. After all, people apply for visas and they don't get the visas. So nothing we can do about it. They have to wait for their visas to come. And this is the time, my son, for you to shoot on their head.
That's
it.
That's
if any
it.
of them misbehave too much, get a gun. You're an American citizen. Shoot. Pop.
That's it. If any of them come back here again and open his book and cavity to say nonsense, I'm gonna shoot him. I'm gonna shoot him right in the head, and I'm gonna shoot him to obey that you are still very positive of going to Europe and America. Right? Yes. You have done what you're supposed to do. Okay? You have taken the right path. All what you need now is patience and resiliency. All right? You have to be positive because definitely you will go to America. You have done your own part. Our vision in this organization is to make sure we send a whole number of young people to America, Europe, so that when you come back, you better this community. I have done it for other communities. And last Christmas, they all came back and they were so happy. The community enjoyed it. And I will do it for you. I've been doing it. You see, as I am here, I don't need your money. I have money. All right? As I am sitting down here, I'm an agent of these countries. I'm pushing people to Europe and America. And I tell you, you have made the right move. You must go to America. All what you need is to be patient, like I tell you. Okay. In a very short time now, you will all proceed to America and Europe. All right? So be happy, smile. I'm still here, and I will make sure you leave. Okay? Thank you very much. Just be patient. And also apply God. Do you understand? Pray. Nobody applies for visa today and gets it tomorrow. Nobody starts in class 1 in secondary school and becomes a graduate in the university. Everything has procedure. It's a gradual process. All right. When I went to America, I know what how many months it took me to get my visa. All right. I'm happy with you, young people. Go home and apply God and pray. Grace will follow you. All right. Thank you very much. And then when you come back, do not forget to remember me, the Godfather that sent you. All right?
Yes, I will not forget you.
Yeah.
I will not forget you.
All right.
But if I think I'm taking time.
That is what I'm saying. Don't just have, you cannot run out of patience when you want to go to America. It's America. What? It's American too, man. Yes, have hope. Positive. Now you can leave. Thank you very much. Wait for it, it will come.
Thank you, sir.
And pray.
What am I showing? What am I showing? No. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ow. Oh my God. You don't want it. Wait.
Are you okay?
I'm Hillary. I'm not okay. You don't have to do that. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna tell you something next time. You know what I'm saying? Why am I dancing Michael Jackson? It's easy. See, let me tell you something. I'm gonna tell you something. You know, next time you don't have to do this. You're gonna consult me. I'm gonna do this for you. All right? Okay. Let me ask you. Is it gonna be okay for you?
No, it's not.
So what do you mean? What are you saying?
I still need more 25 gallons.
Onye? Onye?
20.
You mean 20 bottles of drink or 20 bottles of alcohol?
20 gallons. If you can
20.
give me 25 or 26. That would be very nice.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I'm not afraid. You still manage 25? But it's okay. I can do it. What is 25 gallons? I used to carry 50 gallons. Or was it 25?
I wonder.
That I'm carrying now. But I say 20. As my husband can. It's all right. I can do it. Let's go home. Huh? No, I'm not okay. I'm okay. No, you know I'm not used to it. It's not okay. I can carry it.
See all this one, yeah, come from. If you do it, I gonna shoot you.
My friend. The returning of Clinton and Bishop has benefited you a lot.
Who will ever believe in this community? That very soon, my son will be in Dubai. This is the work of God.
So soon, you will be driving big cars in our village.
Listen, my son told me that he is going to replace that one plot of land with 10 plots.
Easy, Oku. My friend, I think you should go and thank them, especially for what they are doing. Because very soon, other communities will be envy of our community.
I am going there straight away. You see, very soon, this our community will turn to Europe, America.
Refund of money after payment. I say no refund of money after payment. You need to do sharp. Back up plan and also you need to do sharp. Back up hold up the menu. Tina Hillary, oh you go life, oh you the sweet tuna. Tina Hillary,
I told you something. I want you, and I want you to want me, so that we can want each other. That is to say, I want Tanamera, Wahila want Tanamera. You know, this is beautiful.
I can see something is wrong with you.
I'm gonna tell you, yeah.
I don't want you.
You don't want to listen to me? What's wrong with you, baby?
All I need is your love.
I'm with you, baby. I'm with you, baby. I'm not following you.
So what?
I'm coming after you. From the day I saw you, I'm gonna tell you something. You are the executive, His Excellency, Executive Governor of my heart. Like me one time, I like you one time. I like that's mine.
I do not want you.
No, you don't want me.
Read my lips.
Okay.
I do not want you.
You're saying, I'm gonna show you something that you cannot say no to. I told you I came from somewhere, from the States, and I've been living well there. So I'm gonna bring you something, you're gonna like it. You know, you see Dix, with Dix, just days, you can buy you iPhone 43 Christmas. With Dix one, you can get yourself any kind of recharge card you want. With this one, you can buy yourself any kind of charger. With this one, even your phone doesn't have network, you can buy network. With this one, you can buy yourself.
Oh, Hilary. Can you go and look for your mate? I am not your type.
I'm not your type of girl, for crying out loud.
Of course. You are not my type because you're not my type.
I'm not a village girl.
Yeah, I know. This is Lagos. I know this is Lagos. This is not village. And as a matter of fact, you said you're not my type. Yes, because I know you're not my type. That is why I want to deal with you. I'm gonna give you this. Okay? It's small. You don't like it. It's small. It's petite. You know? Okay. I'm gonna give you all. I'm gonna give you take all. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm saying
Only
is
4 pieces. Only 4 pieces. You don't have more with you.
this is not 4 pieces. This is
4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 pieces.
in Nigerian currency. You're gonna use Ghana must go to carry this. I'm telling someone. So you know what? I have paid my dividend. So what is going to happen is, I want you to follow me to my house. You know, my dad. In fact, you know what? Follow me.
Okay.
I'm gonna take you home.
Hold on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna collect that.
Okay.
For the chicken change.
No, this is cow. This is cow change. This is not chicken. But this is cow itself. This can be chicken. I don't give chicken. I give cow. So, so what I'm saying is.
What I'm saying is that I'm gonna collect that.
I love that central. I love that central bank.
That does not
I love that central bank. I love that central bank. I'm gonna love that central bank. I love that central bank. I'm gonna love that central bank. I love that central bank. I love that central bank. You know what I'm saying? Now I want to withdraw. I want to put my ATM and withdraw. Let me use my ATM again.
Stay out of my mouth. You hear me?
Negum. Stay out of your path. Or negum magasagam funenga. Egum kine mem stay out of your path. We're gonna walk. No. Yeah, how they go match in here. I did just minute.
Oh, come on, sweet Maggie. What are you doing here? Why don't you come inside? Huh? Maggie, sweet Maggie Cube. What's the problem? Why don't you come inside? Come on, here, your baby.
Oh, please don't touch me. Don't.
Come on, come inside. What the hell are you doing
Can
here?
You stop all this?
Excuse me.
Stop it. Oh, what's wrong? You do not know that I'm gonna take care of myself? That I'm gonna make my hair? Look at my nails. They are so unkept. Look at my clothes. I meant to change my wardrobe.
Oh, come on, Mike. I know all those things. I've been doing it. But I've been so busy recently, baby. I've been so busy, I had to go to the embassy. The American president wanted me to have the embassy. I had to meet his personal assistant. And then I'm making a whole lot of arrangements. And the Americans are coming and everything is happening with speed, baby. So don't worry yourself. I'm going to take care of you. All these things are serious business.
Please, can you spare me all this ranting? Can you stop it? Well, I'm here to inform you that there is a very cute and handsome guy out there that is chasing after me.
Oh, shit! Shit! Who the hell is that? Who the hell? Now! Hey, yo, baby, come on! There's no man in this village that can touch you. Who is that one? I am going to kill, destroy. I am an American brought up. Hey, yo, baby, I got gun, I got everything, and I am going to use bulldozer from Julius Berger to destroy whoever, destroy their houses. I will cause problem and nothing will happen. Remember, the American president backs Clinton. Yeah, I will kill. You don't know your man. Come on, baby, let's go inside. Anyway.
You have to sit up. You have to sit up and take care of me. Not getting a gun to like gun down the whole thing. Getting Julius Berger to like burn down everything. See you see Julius Berger. Now so we're English language or.
Welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
So what can we do for you?
I heard that you people do visa for those that want to take this country. So I've come to ask how much to take me to go to South Korea.
Okay, let me check. South Korea here is 1.5 million. Yeah.
Is there any country that is cheaper in price?
We have Ghana here. Ghana is 500,000. Yeah.
Is that the least?
Yes, that is the least.
See, you wish to do it's like you do the visa for me, I will leave this country. Then you people taking the money from there. I will pay later. That is when I reach there. Can you do that for me?
No, it doesn't work like that. You will pay everything before you travel.
Are you sure people don't do it that way?
No, not at all.
Okay, I will come back later.
Alright, you're welcome.
We don't used to do it like that way. Okay.
She must pay the bills. No one you go pay for capturing. No one you go pay for thumping. No one after you go pay for your visa. No one abroad is sure. There we go. Cause you guys are around here with our visa. Abroad is sure. There we go. Cause with our visa.
My lovely baby. Come on. All right, Harry. You guys take care of the house. I'm going out with my baby. Come on, baby. Oh. I can take care of the house.
But that shape looks like my father's shape. Even the center head.
And the way he's walking. No, I doubt it. He's not your father. But what of...
How? Margaret!
What of... Is she Margaret?
That is Margaret.
My eyes is confusing me. I don't even know what I'm looking
Confused no more. Look at Margaret.
Your father even carried her home.
In my very before. My father jacked Margaret.
With all these things now, which one will you do?
What do you think I should do?
Right now, I think the best thing, if not this woman, lock up this house. Go out with the key. So that if not, Margaret will come back again. If I lock the whole house, throw the key away.
Where will I sleep? No. If I lock the house and throw away the key, where will I sleep?
Okay, lock the house. Stay inside. Let your father sleep inside. If not, Margaret will come back. No matter.
After everything I did for Margaret, the love that I had for this, my father, Margaret, in my very before, carried her up. And Margaret had the mind and was laughing.
I see who he is now. That's why Margaret is no longer looking at your side. Oh, my God, your father. Find a way and pursue your father.
Or to kill him, which one?
No, he never reached to kill. But you let your father go to his father's house.
After all.
You're right. Yeah, it's your house.
Let my father go to his own father's house.
Yes.
My father's house. And in fact, I'm going to warn my father. Don't ever bring woman to my house again. You understand? Yeah, that's my
Why will your father bring woman to your house?
To my own house. Because by normal now, if my father dies, I will inherit this place. Which means I'm the owner of this house. So I will warn my father, don't ever bring woman to my house again. If you want to bring woman, go to your own father's house.
After all, buy a woman.
Yeah. And after all, my own father will die too.
You know that lady called Margaret. Margaret taken from bad and my bad. Margaret. You know a whole lot of things that when I saw them, I became angry. How can Margaret, who was taken from me, be also taken from my dad? An old Negro? Isn't that bad? Too bad! How can Margaret be doing anything like that?
Your problem is you speak Igbo grammar. Too bad. Allow me to understand what you are saying. Too bad. Can't go too bad. Man, don't you understand in everything you said now is your Margaret and your father? What happened?
I'm gonna tell you this as my friend. You gotta understand me. Do you know that girl, that motherfucking girl they call Margaret? That motherfucking girl they call Margaret. Do you know Margaret has been cheating on me? Not just cheating on me. Margaret has been taken from my dad, and she's been taken from me. I can tell you how many things Margaret has been taken from me, how many she's taken from my dad. Isn't that bad? Isn't that bad? Why am I talking to you and you're looking at me like Margaret? Akwebe. Are you mad? Boy, you stupid. How can I not suffer sense? You are not here. You are mad. Look at you. You don't have sense. A friend of yours is telling you how a girl has been taken from him and his father. All you could say is, I don't have sense. I'm not wise. What has wiseness got to do with this?
Is it not you that telling us you came back from this? You don't even know when the smoker is eating your father.
Anyway, I don't blame you. You know why? Because I don't have sense.
Thank God.
If I had sense, I would have known that you don't have sense. Like I said, I get sense. I'm supposed to know say you don't get sense. Yes.
No,
I should have known. Look at you. Look at your face. I should have known that you have problem with your baba.
I'll change my baba.
You will change your baba.
Smoke just the YouTube people. Look at one second. No.
A second. Is this smoking, man?
I will go now.
I foresee.
What am I going to do now? I asked you to use protection. Then you insist that you're going to there is without the protection.
You see, there's no need crying over spilled milk. The deed is done already. Right, baby? Do you still want to get out of here and go to America?
Yes, of course. I want to travel.
Good girl. Then you got to get rid of this shit. This pregnancy has to be gotten rid of.
Me? You know that I'm still young for that. And so I don't want to do any abortion. I don't want to die.
Oh, come on, baby. It's okay. It's not like I want you to do abortion. No. But I want you to get out of this bullshit community and get into America. That's what I want for you, my baby. And you cannot get into America with this pregnancy. It's not possible. All right? Besides, who said you will die in the process? People do it all over, even in America.
But I have heard of the people that did it and died. And so I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
Baby, you will not die, okay? You will not die, all right? People do it all over. Huh?
I want to die.
Oh, forget about that. You'll be all right. You will never die, but you will get into America and enjoy yourself, all right? And now have this money. Huh? Go to a good chemist, okay? Tell them. They'll explain everything to them, and they're gonna give you something to flush out this shit in your womb, okay? Take this. It's okay, baby.
Okay.
It's alright. You'll be alright. You'll be good.
You go pay for capture. You go pay for company. No one after you go pay for your visa. No one upload here we go. Cause you guys are around here with our visa. Upload here we go. Cause Clinton and Hillary with our visa.
Let them with the girlfriend, she get the girls and they like that. So many pretty girls they inside my mood. I just the one that say which kind party, everything yeah, everything. Oh shit, I get many girls with them they come from away. AJ boys and they like to throw away.
Niger.
We won't marry on. Crazy girls like me this Nigerian. But my girlfriend they here they turn me on. That's why I hold on tight.
Hold my baby tight.
Hold on tight.
Hey!
That's why I hold on.
They come. I'm back. How far Jimmy come here? And they come back. Hey. Woo. Hey. Woo. Richie is back for real. Richie, come nigga go Yibo. Richie is back for real. Hey, each dollar. Give me. Each dollar. Each dollar. Ego relax. Hello. Richie Butegi. Listen to me. Richie Butegi Kegini. Pentecost. Pentecost. Hey. Ike Pentecost. It's money. Wait. Where's that your father that said I will not amount to anything?
No mind him, he's
in the house. Give him this one. Let him buy snuff and palm wine.
Don't mind.
And then your mother that refused to give me food that day I came to your house. Give her this one. You push your maid. Reach a butegi Ike. Pentecost. Go to the village. Call the youth. They should celebrate. Reach a butegi Ike. Don't worry. I'm coming to your house. I'm going to give you more money.
Richie.
More money.
Ike Pentecost.
I'm going to give you more money. Go to your...
Richie, now you
go to your house.
Now you know, Richie.
Go to your house. I'll come to your house. Hey.
I just the one that said which kind party, everything yeah, everything. Oh shit, I get many girls with them they come from away. AJ boys and they like to throw away.
Niger.
We won't marry on. Crazy girls like me this Nigerian. But my girlfriend they here they turn me on. That's why I hold on tight.
Hold my baby tight.
Hold on tight.
Hey!
That's why I hold on.
They come.
No, I'm not gonna take it. I can't take it. But you don't talk to me like that. Genti, have like a fly in our hair and associates. If I leave this fly, have a fly in our hair and associates. Stop. Let me tell you, all this is you're doing, all because you came here, I say you don't get back and ask for I know you, you know me. There are certain things we should stop doing. You as a father, you should attend to certain things as a father. Not you bringing this sentiment in it. How can you tell me that we came back from where we came back? We came back from where we came back. We came back from where we came back. Every girl I put her hand, they can wear like a woman. Anywhere I put her hand, they teach. Why will you be doing that? Anywhere I go to, you must come there. Must you go anywhere I go to? Any girl I approach, must you approach the same girl? Why can't you go for your own? Excuse me. Excuse me. Put hand where? Where do you put hand? Some of these girls, I am there before you come. And then you want to claim the base. Yes. Now, let me tell you. Let today be the last time, last day. Anywhere you see me,
already. Papa, change your route, take another route. Don't come there.
I don't go to anywhere you are. It's the girls that come for me. They rush me. And you are a younger person. If you're not performing and they find out that your father is a performer, why would they rush to me?
They come to you because you are performing.
Yeah.
And I'm not performing.
That is it.
No problem. I like it. Papa, now that you know that I am not performing, you're the one performing. Yeah. Anywhere you see me performing, don't go there and perform. Because if you go and perform, after performing, and I come later and perform, I will disgrace myself. Because I cannot perform very well.
The problem is, you are a younger version of me. Why is your libido low?
Papa, my libido is low because when you were with my mother, you were using your libido, and when your libido finished, you began to use my own libido. So, 95% of my libido, you use them. Now that you know that I don't have enough libido now, it's because of you. So, don't go to them and perform. After my performance or before my performance, don't go there.
All right, now let's talk about it. Now, let us make it clear. When you see the yellow girls, the fair girls, you leave them for me. And then you go for the dark girls, the black girls. You go for them. That is division.
Yes. I like this idea you brought. Yes. Papa, this is your final answer.
That's right.
That's your decision. Okay. I should leave the yellow ones for you.
That's right.
And go for the black ones.
Yes.
I like it. What you're going to do for me now, I will also want you to accept my own idea.
Yes.
Go to your father's house. Leave my father's house and go to your own father's house.
What do you mean, very good boy?
You're going to leave my father's house.
Ah.
Which one is ah?
Which house?
Don't you have a father? No, don't you have a father? I have a father, don't you? Go to your own father's house and leave my father's house for me.
I cannot leave my house for
you.
I am not going to leave my house for you.
Leave your house, yes. Then I cannot leave the yellow girls, especially Maggie. That's the evidence of what attack. I like that.
Don't go there! Don't go there!
No. I remember when I was a kid, this was how I used to cry when I want to show breast. I like it. And Mama will hold me and tell you.
Go there! Maggie!
Yeah, that was how I used to cry when I was a baby. And Mama will hold me and begin to give me breast. Mama, this one now is getting to madness. Yeah, voila. But I don't know why I'm killing you. Sit down one place like that. Come in. Call him Maggie. They call you Maggie. But I tell you something, you're Margaret. Don't Hillary me. Because here I am. You got problems. You know you got a problem? I hear you.
Hey, Hillary, what is all this?
It is not all this. It is you, Maggie. You left me as young as a young. You dated my father, an old man, an old Negro. You want him dead?
I was only playing Lido with your father.
Oh, you were playing Lido with my father? You left me, young man, and you dated my father? Isn't that bad? Maggie, let me tell you something. You don't know something. Your name is Margaret, but they call you Maggie. I'm gonna use you on offense Sala if you don't know. You don't have shame. You playing Lido with my father. My old dad, you wanna kill him? If you wanna play Lido on me, one judo. You playing Lido with my father. You don't have shame. And you playing draft with me? And you're telling me this? Let me tell you something. You know nothing. You know, if it is where I came from back then, where I came from, I'm gonna shoot you, toy. Naishi. I'm gonna shoot you, shoot you, toy. I'm gonna shoot you, toy.
Oh, please, I cannot stand this anymore.
You can't stand me, but you can stand my father. Let me tell you something, Maggie. If you don't stand me, I'm gonna stand you. I'm gonna pin you. I'm gonna require you. And the more I want to stand you, I'm going to study you. I'm going to study you. I'm going to study you. I'm going to
Baby, I have all it takes to make you happy. Even if you want to travel abroad, I have the contact to you. I am ready to paint your body with cash. All I need is your love. All I need is your love. Baby, more, love more, baby, more.
What is it? Do you want to hit me? Ah! Don't you ever come close to me again.
Please, you just have to. Let me explain to you. You just have to listen to me. Baby. Glory, since you don't want to answer baby, you hold me again. Glory, just listen and hear me. See, I know what I did to her was actually wrong. But at least she should give me a listening ear.
Anyway, I do not know the reasons why she's angry with you. But not to worry, I will talk to her.
Please, you have to. I love your friend so much. As a matter of fact, this was the reason why I came back from abroad, just to get married to her. I don't know why she just avoided me. She doesn't want to listen to me.
Anyway, as I said earlier, don't worry. Glory is my friend. I will do everything possible to convince her to talk to you. Huh? So don't worry.
It doesn't matter. Yeah,
I'm come to know you.
If you do anyhow, I
So go ahead, let me drop you off.
Oh, yeah, I'm going closer.
All right, please do me this favor. Just talk to her.
Everybody wants to go to Abazie. The bills, you go pay for capturing. You go pay for company.
After leaving me, traveling without even letting me know.
It's even the more reason you should give him an audience. Give him some listening in. At least hear what he wants to tell you. Reasons why he left. Please.
Are you the one saying this? Which audience? 3 good years in it. 3 years. You said I should give him audience. After leaving me, no calls. He doesn't even care. At least he should show me at least he loves me or value me. What's this? You're telling me to give him? Leave me alone.
My friend, right now I know how you feel. Honestly, you don't know. And you have 100% right to be mad at him. But Glory, with what he told me, he said that he is back to marry you.
Eh?
Consider that.
After leaving me for 3 years, he said he thinks he's the only one that knows the way to abroad.
Glory, listen to me. I know I'm your friend. See, I've told you now. Don't say I did not tell you. Glory, listen now.
Baby, see, I'm sincerely sorry for the way I left. I didn't plan it that way.
What do you mean was not planned, Richard? Richard, you are so mean. Richard, you are wicked. How could you leave me here 3 years? You just left me, no contact, no call. Richard, I am heartbroken.
My traveling abroad was for the benefit of you and I.
You and who?
I didn't do it to hurt you.
You and who? You and who, sorry. For your information, let me tell you, Richard, I will soon be leaving this village if you think you're the only one that knows the way to travel to abroad.
Abroad? How?
Look at this. Look at the look on your face because you head abroad. Why? Thanks to Mr. Clinton and Hillary, if they hadn't come back, I wouldn't have found my dream of travel.
Clinton and Hillary?
Yes. Late Maz's son and grandson.
Wait. Late Mazi Bekwe's son that speak BB grammar. Those guys were deported for correctness.
Yeah? You see?
They were deported from abroad 6 months ago.
Wait a minute. Mr. Clinton and Hillary, they just came back a few months ago.
My friend, I said they were. You want to travel to abroad. You don't even know the person you want to travel. You don't know the history of their coming back. All you know is that you just want to travel abroad for the sake of traveling abroad. They were deported 6 months ago.
Hey!
You don't even travel. You don't even know the genesis of the travel you want to do.
Be wise, cause no refund of money after payment. I say no refund of money after payment.
Papa, Richard told me that these people were deported from abroad 6 months ago.
Hey!
That can be. You know,
Does it mean that we have been duped?
Papa, I am as confused as you are. If it wasn't for Richard, I wouldn't have believed it. He was saying the truth.
Hey! Papa,
we have been duped.
My only piece of land.
Hey!
Alume! No. No, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Papa, don't go and kill somebody. Yeah.
You mean Richard told your daughter this?
Yes. That's the reason why I come to see you. So that we can know what to do, because both of us are involved in this.
Hey! Listen. Let us invite Richard first and hear from the horse's mouth before we confront Clinton and his son.
Well, since you say so, I will tell my daughter to inform him. Eh?
Cause you guys are around with our visa.
What is it? Eh?
Why are you acting like this? For this now, have I seen you? I've not seen you as so I am happy to see you.
So what happened?
Remember you are not supposed to do this. Remember you want to go to
Oh, Bodo Ibo should kill you there. Hey, wait though. What were you expecting? What were you thinking? Bodo Ibo, my foot! Wait. You thought people will not know that people will not find out the truth. Close your mouth, bro, because it is all over the place. That Clinton and Hillary. Eh? Richard told everybody. He even spoke to me face to face and told me that we were. Do you know to Richard? I'm just going to tell you that the news is all over the place. That Clinton and Hillary were deported from overseas. Hey!
I'm not sure you know what you're saying. I've gone deep with this. Even before me, Clinton, Larry, called one with Royal Highness of, Dubai or India, and even Queen Elizabeth. And I'm very sure these people are doing big work. See the way that's not even like people.
And as for you, do not ever, listen to me, do not ever in your miserable life stop me on the road while walking. Did you hear me now?
Papa, don't tell me that one. This has to stop. Don't tell me that one. Has to stop. What has to stop? This has to stop. Oh, this nonsense has to stop. Papa. What do you mean by all this nonsense? This is an assault on my personality.
No, not really assault. It's a pepper. Papa, look at you. Look at see what you're saying. Look, of all girls in this community, you did not see who to go after. Yaworo Margaret. Margaret that belongs to me.
I saw Maggie before you.
You saw Maggie before me?
Yes.
Look at you.
I met Maggie before
Papa,
you.
Who told you? Papa, the first time I saw Margaret was the first time I saw her.
What do you mean by first time you saw her? Margaret is my baby, and you saw me carry Maggie with my, oh my baby. Take away your hand from Maggie.
Oh, your baby.
Take away your hand from baby.
You carry Maggie as a small picking. Where was your feeding bottle? Papa, let me tell you. What's that?
I don't believe it.
What is this?
Darling, well done. No? We're here to confirm something. If I ask you this question, answer me. Because were you two deported?
Please
shut up your mouth.
What sort of nonsense question is that one?
Rosie, are you shouting at me?
Why would you come to this place and be talking babash? You want me to shoot you? I will shoot you right now.
That thing done.
You are still speaking Fune at this time. Let me tell you, me and you, as we were coming, we saw crowd. They gathered saying that natural. Yes. Like
shut up. With your hero. What do you mean by that hero? That is rubbish. Get out. You say people are what you want to speak it the way you're supposed to speak it. That's not how good I call them. Yes, that's your arm. Upon all the money that we've been giving to you people,
so you are still speaking nonsense.
How will you get out of this place?
Udi. No, brother Paul, I don't understand. Are you saying that the people are gathered saying that we were deported?
Oh, that's
you believe them?
Nonsense.
And you are still lying. Yeah.
Actually, go and call them.
No, Paul. You don't do that. I just want to understand something. You're saying that people are gathered saying that we were deported.
You are still speaking Ghana.
Some people are gathered talking. No, Paul. You gotta calm down. You gotta calm down. So they'll be bothering you and your father. Paul. Shoot. They are coming, no. They are coming.
Papa, there is fire on the mountain. Papa, pull up the other luggages. Leave the luggage, there's no time. What can you do with luggage? These things I know. Lock that place. Oh, yeah.
Onaga, what is after you?
We have to thank God. Yes. Mr. Clinton and his son Hillary are fake. Yes, they are fake. The Obodo Ibo visa they are doing is fake.
Everything about them is fake.
How do you mean they are fake?
I'm very sure. I even heard that they were deported from Obodo Ibo.
Odinaka. Are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm very sure.
Hey. So this is how money would have been gone just like that.
Exactly. Exactly.
Chineke, Ekenekwa.
You have to inform Ejai and Wambada too, so that he won't give them his hard-earned money.
Leukemia.
You said you wanted to see me and I don't know that there is one.
Yes. I got you here for a reason. See, let me tell you, in the next few minutes now, I will become Obodo Ibo boy. And as soon as I get there, you will be the first person I'll be sending money to.
Me?
Yes.
Chinyere. Ego Obodo Ibo.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, God.
I I like you so much. And you know, for me to be sending you that money, you know, it will cost you. You know what it costs you now, you know?
Yeah, Hi! Ejai! So you are here? Wambada.
I hope all is well.
Wambada, you are here.
Wambada. We are going to your house and you are here pushing woman, not wine.
Chief, please excuse us. They are my friends. Understand? I will see you later. Okay. I will see you later.
Don't forget to come and see me.
I will now.
Wambada.
I see that. Hey.
Wambada, you are here.
All is well.
All is well, oh. All is well. Wambada. Mr. Clinton and his son and everything they are doing about visa and traveling is fake. They are all fake. Everything is fake.
So what's the latest news now?
Why we are here is just to inform you. Hope you have not given them anything.
No.
Thank God.
Thank God.
Thank God.
We have come to inform you. And we want to also inform others so that they won't give them a dime. Let's go and inform them as well. Let's go.
Clinton and Hillary, Oyibo life, they sweet tonight. Cause Clinton and Hillary are with our visa.
No, I'm not happy. You can't believe that Clinton and Hillary that were deported from abroad came back to this village and started scamming people. Yes, now. They've been collecting people's property. It's uncountable. One girl was telling me that they told her that they are even working with a Germany embassy. You can imagine that. My last born, they nearly defrauded my last born. Nearly they would have defrauded my last born. Thank you. Please, I just want them to be arrested immediately. Yes, they're just tarnishing the image of this community. Please. Yes. And let it be fast, Let it be fast. All right.
Please forgive me. Please, I beg you. Please forgive me. Please, you know I love you.
You know, I always love you. And I only came just to marry you that made me come back from abroad. You refused to give me a listening ear. Come here.
That you have all it takes to make you happy.
Thank you for forgiving me.
Even if you want to travel abroad, I have the contact to you. I am ready to paint your body with cash. All I need is your love. All I need is your love. Baby, more, love more, baby, more, love more.
These people cannot eat our money.